डियर स्टूडेंट, आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे चैप्टर 12 लीनियर प्रोग्रामिंग प्रॉब्लम्स, जिसको शॉर्ट फॉर्म पे एलपीपी कहते हैं। जनरल फॉर्म ऑफ एलपीपी इज जनरल फॉर्म ऑफ एलपीपी इज ऑप्टिमाइज, मैक्सिमाइज और मिनिमाइज z, which is ax plus by and subjected to constraint a1x plus b1y and any one of the sign which is less than equal to greater than equal to and c1 a2x plus b2y and any one of the sign less than equal to and greater than equal to c1 c2 a3x plus b3y and any of the sign greater than equal to less than equal to c3 with x comma y greater than equal to is the general form of LPP. Now some examples of LPP is question 1, maximize z 2x plus 5y subjected to constraint 2x plus y greater than equal to 10. Second condition, x plus 2y greater than equal to 12 and x with x comma y greater than equal to 0. Question 2, minimize z equal to 20x plus 50y subjected to constraint x plus y greater than 10, 2x minus y less than 20 with x comma y greater than equal to 0, which are the examples of LPP. Now, various terms related to LPP. First is objective function, which is denoted by z, and z is a linear function. So z equal to ax plus by, which has to be maximize or minimize. Second is constraint. Second is constraint यानी condition, the linear inequalities, that is less than equal to, greater than equal to, or equation means equal to, or restriction on the variables of LPP, which is known as constraint. Example, maximize z equal to 2x plus 3y. Z equal to 2x plus 3y is an objective function because it maximize or minimize. Here z is maximize. So, next is subjected to constraint given as 2x plus y greater than 10, x plus 3y greater than 15. These are constraint, and x comma y greater than equal to 0, which is restriction, which is non-negative restriction. नेक्स्ट इज feasible reason. Feasible reason क्या है? The common reason by all constraint of a LPP. जो सारे कंस्टेंट को सेटिस्फाई करे वो कॉमन रीजन को फेजिबल रीजन कहते हैं. जैसे डायग्राम वन. डायग्राम वन, दिस इज फर्स्ट डायग्राम. जो ये जो रीजन है, ये रीजन इस पे फर्स्ट इक्वेशन और सेकंड इक्वेशन दोनों सेटिस्फाई कर रहे हैं, इसलिए ये फेजिबल रीजन है. साथ ही दोनों इक्वेशंस जो कंडीशन है पूरी तरह से ये बाउंडेड है, इसलिए बाउंडेड फेजिबल रीजन. सेकंड है इनफेजिबल रीजन. द रीजन अदर देन feasible is called infeasible reason. Means this reason is known as infeasible reason, and this reason is known as feasible reason, also bounded feasible reason. Second diagram, in this area satisfy all the given equations, so is known as feasible reason, but the reason is unbounded. Hence, the feasible reasons may be bounded or unbounded. Next is feasible solution. What is feasible solution? Every point of feasible reason is called feasible solution. Okay. Every point of feasible reason is known as feasible solution. So, point A, point B, point C, point D are the point of feasible solution, and also this point is also known as feasible solution. Next is corner point of feasible region. For diagram 1, point A, point B, point C and point D are the feasible region corner points. In diagram 2, the corner point of unbounded feasible region is A and B. For LPP, we must be find first feasible region and whose corner point.